When nature's got the best water show and everyone's front room, free splash zone included. When your road trip turns into an unplanned rafting adventure, Mother Nature's got jokes. When a casual day turns into a landslide spectacle, laughter turns to panic as Earth shifts. The mountain's surprise performance leaves spectators stunned and scrambling. Nature doesn't play. When a peaceful mountain retreat becomes a front row seat to rockslide chaos, nature's thrill ride, no ticket required. When the hillside decides to crash the road party, everyone's journey just got a thrilling plot twist. When the mountainside unleashes an enormous cloud of dust and debris, cascading with thunderous might, it's a reminder of nature's unmatched power. Trees vanish, skies darken, and those watching can't help but marvel at the raw spectacle unfolding. When a sudden landslide barrels down, crushing barriers and blocking the road in moments. The power of nature turns a peaceful past into a scene of chaos, reminding all of Earth's unpredictable force. A giant boulder tumbles, triggering a muddy cascade that crashes into water below. Nature's chaotic, breathtaking splash. When the cliff bursts onto the highway, debris flies, dust clouds surge, and a calm road becomes chaos in seconds. Earth bubbles around the bridge, unleashing chaos and dust, leaving onlookers awestruck by nature. When the Earth decided to rage quit, colors, people, and gravity were all left speechless and confused. When your house is the ultimate water slide, zero warning, full chaos, and an express checkout. When the street decides to audition for a disaster, fences tumble and water roars, chaos steals the spotlight effortlessly. When your bus takes an unplanned swim and the river says, "All aboard," Mother Nature clearly doesn't need a ticket. When the city turns into Venice overnight and cars start floating like floats, clearly no one signed up for this cruise. When the river decides your route is its next target, Mother Nature's power leaves no structure standing in its way. These action movies with buildings are going through a wild ride, dust, destruction, and a plot twist nobody saw coming. When your house decides to take a dive, nature's most unexpected relocation service with zero warning and a splashy finish.
Oh. Oh yeah. Da die Einhuren dort. Das Fischer wollte lassen. Das macht nicht. Komm, stand dafür. Nein, komm nicht. Simon, komm nicht.
Wieso?
Nur noch ein Staub.
Ob die anderen wollen fliehen?
Macht nicht.
गाड़ी भी ले लो पीछे
When snow-covered cliffs release a cascade of thundering debris, the mountains roar with a fierce reminder of their strength. Clouds of dust and snow rise, a spectacle of Earth's raw, unpredictable energy in motion. Witnesses stand stunned in awe. Rocks cascade down, dust rises, and the mountainside transforms. Nature's raw power in action, silencing all. A massive landslide cascades down, swallowing the road below. Nature's unstoppable force creates a spectacle of Earth's rock. When towering cliffs crumble into a dusty cascade, it's a breathtaking reminder of Earth's shifting power, unstoppable and awe-inspiring. Scaling a rocky cliff is filled with questions, literally and figuratively. As climbers tackle immovable obstacles, every decision becomes a test. When the ground beneath shifts, nature reminds us that even the best plans can crumble in an instant. When hillsides crumble and trees tumble, nature takes control, leaving behind a trail of debris and stunned onlookers. It's a raw display of Earth's shifting balance, reminding us of its unpredictable power amidst the million surroundings. As the landslide cascades down, dust clouds consume the bridge and surround the area, transforming calm into chaos. When the road splits like a bad relationship, and everyone shows up with umbrellas to watch the drama unfold live. When the mountain unleashes its fury and turns into a roaring chocolate waterfall, Mother Nature's dramatic way of saying, stand back. When the streets transform into raging rivers and cars join the wild current, urban chaos meets nature's unstoppable force in full swing. When rivers invade the streets and houses get a surprise snow, nature's way of reminding us who's truly in charge. When a wall decides it's time to retire and takes the hill with it, gravity always wins its argument. When the flood comes knocking and the earth answers with a landslide, nature's way of rearranging the neighborhood. When the river takes over the road and even the signboard surrenders, nature's chaos knows no speed limits or directions. When the road ahead disappears into a swirling monster, welcome to nature's version of zero visibility with maximum chaos. Rocks crashing, dirt flying, and total chaos. Looks like the Earth's having a full-on tantrum. Hold on to your hard hats.
ओ भाई साहब
When off-roading goes too far, literally. Carpooling with the river wasn't part of the plan, but here we are.
भाई सिक्के सारे गए खत्म 07 प्लेट नंबर निकाल लो इसकी कौन सी है देखो गाड़ी जरा अभी 2 गाड़ियां और फंसी है वो वहाँ फंस गई वो सीधी होगी आ रही हो वो सीधी होगी हाँ मुर्गी आएगी वो भी निकलेगी आएगी वो इधर ही आएगी
Survivor Car Edition. Floating traffic jams and mudslides not included in the manual.
अरे ऊपर चढ़ जा भाई जल्दी गाड़ियां बह गई हरिद्वार में
एक आदमी
Rocks? More like a mountain-sized cannonball. Nature clearly read the signs, and then went all in. Cliff diving on a grand scale. Oh my god. When solid rock decides to make a splash, nature's most epic belly flop.
Back it up, back it up, back it up.
When the earth unleashes its fiery fury, it's nature's way of saying, stay back, humans. This is my grand performance. When the sea meets the desert and Mother Nature says, let's mix things up. Dust storms don't play fair. When Mother Nature says, move over, even the bridge knows it's time to disappear. Total chaos is coming. Things got heated real fast, literally. When Earth says, I'm feeling spicy, you don't argue. When your peaceful walk gets photobombed by an ice avalanche, nature's flashiest guest star. When your driveway decides to channel a fire tornado, winter heat wave, suburban edition. When the cliffside says, surprise! And gravity gets real dramatic. Nature's landslide show, featuring rocks, mud, and a whole lot of nope for nearby roads. When the cliff decides to collapse in spectacular fashion, rocks fly, dust rises, and it's nature's jaw-dropping finale. When the towering mountainside decides to let loose, turning solid ground into a torrent of mud and debris, it's an unforgettable reminder of nature's raw power. Spectators watch in awe, nerves on edge as Earth shifts and roars. When towering glaciers crack and crash into icy waters below, nature's raw power and fragility come alive. Spectators witness a breathtaking reminder of time's relentless march and Earth's stunning forces at work.